Making a guest list, your guide to event planning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential aspect of event planning, making a guest list. Whether you're organizing a small gathering or a grand celebration, knowing how to compile a guest list is crucial. Let's break it down together, so you can master this skill and ensure your events are memorable and well organized. A guest list is essentially a document or a compilation that contains the names of all the people you plan to invite to your event. This isn't just a list. It's the backbone of your event planning, influencing everything from the venue size to the catering needs. Crafting a guest list helps you manage your invitations, track RSVPs, and ensure you don't overlook anyone important. Why bother making a guest list? It's all about organization and anticipation. By knowing exactly who you're inviting, you can estimate the size of the venue needed, calculate the amount of food and drinks, prepare seating arrangements, avoid the stress of last-minute additions. A well-thought-out guest list ensures that your event runs smoothly and everyone has a great time. Step 1. Define the purpose of your event. Is it a birthday party, a wedding, or a business conference? The nature of your event will influence who makes it onto your list. Step 2. Set a limit. Based on your budget and venue, decide how many guests you can afford to invite. This will help you prioritize invites and keep your event manageable. Step 3. Start with the must-invites. Begin your list with non-negotiable guests, close family, best friends, or key business associates. These are the people your event wouldn't be the same without. Step 4. Expand thoughtfully. Consider acquaintances, colleagues, or extended family members. Think about how they would contribute to your event's atmosphere. Step 5. Review and revise. Go over your list with a critical eye. Make sure you haven't missed anyone important and that you're not over your limit. Use digital tools. There are many apps and online platforms that can streamline the process of creating and managing your guest list. Communicate clearly. Make sure your invitations clearly state all the details and how guests can confirm their attendance. Plan for extras. Always prepare for a few unexpected guests by planning a little extra. Creating a guest list might seem daunting at first, but with these steps and tips, you're well on your way to mastering the art of event planning. Remember, a good guest list sets the tone for your event, ensuring it's an occasion that you and your guests will always remember. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you with your next event.